Hello students, this class we discuss derivative of functions in parametric form. Parametric form, derivative of. Parametric form means, for example, let x is equal to f of t. This means that x is equal to in terms of t, function in terms of t. For example, x is equal to at square sin t cos t. X is equal to sin t cos t at square t cube, and y is equal to g of t. Y is also a function of t. For example, y is equal to cos t tan t at square, like that. These are two functions. X is equal to function in terms of t, y is equal to function in terms of t. Now differentiate x with respect to t, that can be written as dx by dt, that is equal to f dash t. F dash t means derivative of function. And dy by dt, differentiate y with respect to t. This is in terms of t irodrinda y is equal to derivative of t, that can be written as d dash t. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx can be written as dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Here dt cancel, dy by dt. ಇಲ್ಲಿ dy ಪರಗಡೆಯನ್ನು divided by dt, here also divided by dt. ತಪ್ಪೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಏನು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅದೇ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ. Now here dy by dx can be written as dy by dt by dx by dt. That is equal to dy by dt is what? G dash t divided by f dash t. This is dy by dx. Other derivative divided by first one derivative, second one derivative divided by first one derivative, or x is equal to in terms of theta also. Therefore differentiate x with respect to theta, that can be written as dx by d theta, that is f dash theta. And y is also g of theta, y is function of theta. Now this can be written as dy by d theta, differentiate y with respect to theta, that is d theta. Therefore dy by dx is what? Dy by divided by theta, here dx by divided by theta, that is equal to dy by theta is g dash theta divided by f dash theta. These are the parametric forms. X in terms of t, y in terms of t ಗಳಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇವೊಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್, ಅಥವಾ x in terms of theta, y in terms of theta. These are the parametric forms. That derivatives can be written as dx by dt, this is dy by dt. Finally dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. These are the parametric forms. This is the derivative of parametric functions. Now one problem I will explain. First problem, find dy by dx. Parametric forms, observe. Find dy by dx. Parametric form ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಫೈಂಡ್ dy by dx ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. x is in terms of theta ದಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು, t ಗಳಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು. Find dy by dx if x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta. X is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta. Now two parametric forms are given. What is that? First one, x is equal to a cos theta. Now x is function of theta ಗಳಲ್ಲಿದೆ. therefore dx by ಇಲ್ಲಿ t ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ dx by dt, theta ಇದ್ರೆ dx by d theta, differentiate x with respect to theta, dx by d theta, differentiate x with respect to theta, that can be written as dx by d theta is equal to a is constant same as it is, multiplicative constant, and cos theta derivative is minus sin theta, cos theta derivative is minus sin theta, therefore first write minus a sin theta, and one more function is given, y is equal to a sin theta. Now dy by d theta, differentiate y with respect to theta, dy by d theta. Now a is multiplicative constant same as it is a. Next sin theta derivative is cos theta, that is equal to a cos theta. Therefore finally he is asking find dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, that can be written as dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Now what is dy by d theta is this one, second one, a cos theta, divided by dx by d theta is first one, minus a sin theta, that is equal to a cancel, what is remaining, minus cos theta by sin theta can be written as cot theta, cos by sin is cot, sin by cos is the tan. This is the dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to minus cot theta. This is first one. Again second, one more problem I will tell you. Find dy by dx if functions are in terms of t gal kodam. Find dy by dx if x is equal to a t square and y is equal to 2at. X is equal to at square and y is equal to 2at. Now here two parametric forms are given, two parametric functions. First one is what? X is equal to at square, and the second one y is equal to 2at. Now differentiate x with respect to t. This is x is in terms of TL is the function. dx by dt, ಇಲ್ಲಿ theta ಇದ್ರೆ dx by d theta, last problem observe here, dx by d theta ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ theta ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, t ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ t, dx by dt is equal to a is constant same as it is, t square derivative is 2t, x square derivative is 2x, x power n into x power n minus 1 ಅಂತ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 into t power 2 minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ t only, 2t, that is equal to 2at. Multiply here dy by dt, this is also differentiate y with respect to t. Now 2a is multiplicative constant same as it is. Now the derivative of t is 1, the derivative of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು 1 ಅಂತ, the derivative of t is 1, the derivative of t square is 2t, t cube ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3t square, t power 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5t power 4 ಹಾಗೆ. Now 2a into 1 is 2a. Finally dy by dx is equal to, that can be written as dy by dt with respect to t ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, dy by dt by dx by dt. First y ಇದು, second next first. Now dy by dt is 2a divided by dx by dt is 2at. Now 2a cancel, numerator 1 divided by t, 1 by t, dy by dx is equal to 1 by t. In terms of theta ಗಳಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ, in terms of t ಗಳಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Now ಎರಡು functions, different two functions are given, that is x is in terms of theta, y is in terms of theta. This is x is in terms of t, this is y is in terms of t. These are the parametric differentiation. Compulsory 3 marks question. First find dx by dt, 1 mark. Find dy by dt, 1 mark. Finally write second term divided by first term, simplify, you get 1 mark. Same type, this is 1 mark, this is 1 mark. Finally write second term divided by first term, another 1 mark. 3 marks question. These are. Next, one more problem. Next problem. Find third one. Find dy by dx if two parametric functions are given, that functions are in terms of t. There is one more problem, same type. Find dy by dx, comma, if x is equal to 4t and y is equal to 4 by t. 4 by t. Two parametric functions are given. First one, x is equal to 4t. Differentiate x with respect to t. That can be written as dx by dt. Akade t lalidre dt bariyu. Theta lalidre theta anta bariyu. 4 into multiplicative constant 4 is, the derivative of t is 1. That is equal to 4 into 1 is 4 only. Next, and second, one more parametric function 4 by t. Now dy by dt is equal to differentiate y with respect to 4 is multiple constant. 4 is a constant. Same, write 4 as it is. Write 4 as it is. Next, 1 by t. The derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Therefore, the derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. Formula is there. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. The derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. Now, this can be written as minus 4 by t square. Therefore, finally, dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to, ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿರೋದು dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Now dy by dt is second term, minus 4 by t square, divided by dx by dt is first term 4. Now 4 ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇರ್ತದೆ, ರೈಟ್. ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋ minus 4 by t square into ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 4 ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ divided by 1 ಅಂತ. Now 1 by 4. Now 4 get cancelled. 4 cancel. Minus 1 by t square is the answer. Minus 1 by t square is the answer. This is also x is in terms of theta, y is in terms of find first dx by d theta. 1 mark dy by dt, another 1 mark. Finally divided by simplify, you get another 1 mark. 3 marks question. Same one more problem. This is third one. Next, fourth one. Find dy by dx if two parametric functions are given. If x is equal to, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, x is equal to a cos cube t and y is equal to a sin cube t. Find dy by dx. Or ಇನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದ್ರೆ, if x is equal to y is equal to, show that dy by dx is equal to cube root of minus cube root of y by x ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. cube root of y by x. Find dy by dx ಅಂತ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Show that dy by dx is equal to minus cube root of y by x ಅಂತ. Same here, two parametric functions are given. One is x is equal to a cos cube t. Now differentiate with respect to t. dx by dt is equal to dx by dt. Differentiate x with respect to t is equal to a is multiple constant, same. Next, this is cube. Cube is there. Last ಬರೀ cos t ಅಂತಿತ್ತು. cos cube t ಇದು ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ x cube ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. x cube derivative 3x square. First power differentiation. Cube derivative is 3 that function square ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 cos square t into, now power derivative is over x cube ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. x cube derivative 3x square, ಇದನ್ನು ಹೋಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೋಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತಲೂ 3x square ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. x cube ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3x square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos cube t ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 cos square t into power is over, power derivative is over cubed. In cos t derivative minus sin t. ಪವರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, cos, ಆ ಪವರ್ ಮರೆತು ಬಿಡಿ. cos t derivative minus sin t. that can be written as first write minus, next constant 3a, these are the constant remaining, cos square t into sin t. This is dx by dt. Fine, next one more, y is equal to given a sin cube t. Differentiate y with respect to t, dy by dt. That can be written as same method here. A multiplicative constant, same, power derivative, cube derivative 3 sin square t into power derivative is over. Next function is what? Power martbidi. E power martbidi sin t. Derivative of sin t is cos t. Now write first constant 3a sin square t into cos t. This is dy by dt. Finally, therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Dx by dt. Now, dy by dt is second one. 3a sin square t into cos t divided by, next first one is minus 3a cos square t sin t. Now, here 3a cancel, 3a cancel, minus is there, right? Minus, here 1 sin t sin square t cancel, cos square t cancel. What is remaining here? Only sin t by cos t minus sin t by cos t. Now this can be written as minus sin t by cos t can be written as minus tan t. Minus tan t ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಶೋ ದಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಟಿ ಅನ್ನೇ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ವೈ ಬೈ ಎ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈ ಬೈ ಎ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಅಗೈನ್ ದಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಫಾರಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಫೈನ್ ಡಿ ವೈ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪು. ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಅಂತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿ ವೈ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಡಿ ವೈ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಫೈನಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಂತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಡಿ ವೈ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ ವೈ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಅದೇ ಡಿ ವೈ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಟಿ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಟಿ ಅಂತಿದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಟಿ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಟಿ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ವೈ ಬೈ ಎ ಸೈನ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಟಿ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ ವೈ ಬೈ ಎ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಸೈನ್ ಟಿ ಅನ್ನು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಟಿ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ, ಎ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಬೈ ಎ, ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ y by a by x by a. Now a get cancel, cube root of minus y by x, minus cube root of y by x, which is the answer. Observe here, show that. Find dy by dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್. Next, one more problem. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Another two parametric functions are given. This is fourth one is over. Fifth one. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. This is fifth one. If x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta and y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. Here two parametric functions are given. What is x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta. Differentiate x with respect to theta in terms of theta. X is function in terms of theta. Now dx by d theta is equal to a is multiplicative constant as it is. The derivative of theta is 1. X anta assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ theta. X derivative is 1. Now theta derivative is 1. T derivative is 1. ಹಾಗೆ. The derivative of theta is 1 plus sin theta derivative is cos theta. This is over. Next, one more function is given. Y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Now dy by d theta is equal to a into the derivative of 1 is 0. Constant derivative is 1. That constant 1 is constant. That derivative is 0. Minus cos theta derivative is minus sin theta. Already minus is there, plus sin theta. That is equal to multiply here a into sin theta. 0 plus sin theta is sin theta only. A into sin theta. Therefore, finally, dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta is second one, a sin theta divided by first one is a into 1 plus cos theta. Now a get cancelled, sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now half angle formulas, sin theta can be written as numerator, sin theta can be written as half angle formula 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Half angle formula 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Multiple angles are half angles anta bartave. Next 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. This is also half angle. Formulas all nodi, trigonometry formulas. Half angles anta. Multiple angles all bartave. Now here 2 get cancelled. Next cos square ide, numerator denominator numerator cos ide. 1 cos square cancel. What is remaining? Sin theta by 2 by denominator cos theta by 2. Now this can be written as tan theta by 2. Sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. That can be written as tan theta by 2. Next, one more problem. Find dy by dx if x is equal to ಇದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಥೀಟಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಟಿಗಳಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಥೀಟಾದಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. x is equal to sin t, sixth one, and y is equal to cos 2t. Two functions are given. X is equal to sin t. dx by dt is equal to differentiate x with respect to sin t. Differentiation is cos t. Over. This is all very simple. And y is equal to one more function is given, cos 2t. Therefore dy by dt is equal to, what is cos? The derivative of cos is minus sin 2t. Minus sin 2t. Cos t ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ sin t ಅಂತ ಬರೀತು, minus sin t. Next again in the chain rule 2t derivative. The derivative of 2t is 2. Now first write 2 minus 2 sin 2t. Therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Now dy by dt is minus 2 sin 2t divided by cos t. Now apply half angle formula for numerator 2 into now sin 2t formula. No, not required. Sin 2t formula is write down. Sin 2t is 2 sin t into cos t. Not half angle formula, multiple angle. Sin 2t formula 2 sin t cos t divided by same cos t. Now cos t cancel, minus 4 sin t is the answer. Minus 4 sin t is the answer. Okay, these are the parametric functions, derivative of parametric functions. X is in terms of t, x is in terms of theta. Differentiate, separate, dy by t ಗಳಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ dy by dx, dx by dt, dy by dt, dx by dt, t ಗಳಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ theta ಗಳಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ dx by dt, finally divided by ಮಾಡೋದು, second term divided by first term ಅಂತ. These are the parametric derivatives. Okay, this class enough for parametric derivatives. Next class we discuss again some more problems is there. I will tell you. Thank you.